Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to group two shapes in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show group two shapes. Now firstly select from now going to the insert button option, then click. Now select from shape. Now draw a select from multiple shape. Now draw a shape. Now again the shape menu option, insert menu option. Now click for shape option. Now select from rectangle shape and oval shape. Now you can see, then show the insert from two shape, the shape in the group. Now select from two shape. Now going to the format menu option, then click. Now click from group option, then select. Now you can see, then you show the group in the two shape. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.